Let's see what 500K gets you in Ho Chi Minh City for an apartment. So we have security doors, nice marble tile, private bathroom. Nice private sink. I like this one because it has its own shower, private, separate from the toilet. Glass doors. AC unit. Cabinetry. A lot of cabinets. We even have our own dishes. We have a kitchen, mini kitchen, microwave, stove, charging unit, sink, refrigerator, office area, TV, bookshelf, and one of the best parts about this room, we have a view of the city. So you can see out there all kinds of stuff out in the city. And queen size bed. Recessed lighting. Last but not least, giant closet.